So we have two new features relating to Alma Analytics. The first one is Analytics PO line dimension enhancements. So the PO line dimension now has a lot of new fields that you can select to create reports and view statistics. And here's a list of all of the new fields. We can go over some of these: quantity for pricing, discount, list price, currency, vendor name, all the vendor information. These are all new fields that can now be selected. And there's also been some cleaning up of the some rearrangement and improvements. These are now listed in logical order for ease of use. And you'll also see that there were some older fields that are no longer needed, and they are now marked as to be deprecated. So we have improvements to the PO line dimension. And basically, this allows you to create new reports that were previously not possible to create. For example, you can create a report of the price per item. So the PO line dimension is now available for items as well, with these new fields that we've seen. And another example of a report that can be created that was not possible before, vendor order arrival time. So this report basically has the sent date and the receiving date, and for a given vendor, in this case the vendor was Amazon.com, and this field here, days to arrive, is basically the receiving date minus the send date. And we can create reports such as this. Let's just take a look in Alma Analytics. Okay, so here we are in Alma, and let's go into Alma Analytics and just see these new fields as they appear in the system. Alma, Analytics, Design Analytics. Signing in, let's make a new analysis for a physical item. And here under the PO line dimension, we can see all of the fields, including older fields, and we have an example of one field here that is to be deprecated. This one is no longer needed, and in future releases it will disappear. For the July release, it's still here, so as not to cause problems with any existing reports. And you can look at all of these new fields over here with a lot of vendor information, and it's now possible to create reports per item that include all of this PO line info. So that's one new improvement to Alma Analytics for the July release. We have new fields for the PO line dimension.